I'm a 3D artist, and in this video, I turned Minecraft's new mobs into the most overcomplicated, mutated boss versions I could possibly come up with, and even got a real mod developer to rate them from 1 to 10. For my first boss, I'm redesigning the Breeze, which clocks in at 2 blocks high and 12 cubes in total. Yeah, we're gonna crank those numbers up. They're basically a new type of blaze with a focus on wind instead of fire, so naturally they can't actually fly. Genius. My plan for this one is the Breeze Golem. It'll have a jetpack and a battering ram gun. We'll work it out later. I built the main body shape out of about 40 different cubes. It's got a heavy core, slinky arm. It's got this big cannon on the side. For the legs, I went with just make it float. Next, I added these planes for, I don't know, some kind of jet engine or something. I tried texturing a smoke animation a couple of times, and then I realized, wait a minute, I'm a 3D artist. I don't need to sit here and waste my time with this. Step 1, open Blender. Step 2, hold on, I forgot step 2. And there you have it. Fully volumetric, realistic smoke simulation, complete with randomized wind patterns, and now I get to crunch it down to 20 pixels. I'm never fixing my upload schedule, am I? For the textures, I'm using the heavy core as reference since, you know, wind, heavy, wait, no. And the Breeze Rod palette for contrasting areas, like the visor, the cannon, the magic runes or something. At this point, I don't know if this is really a breeze anymore. How could this possibly be an upgrade without those distinctive eyebrows? I thought the smoke was too boring, so I put it through my meat grinder of post-processing effects, and now I think it's finally ready to test in game. So the way this works is you find a heavy core from one of the new trial chambers, and then you go find one of these rooms with a heavy rune in the center. You say, that's an oddly heavy core shaped outline on the top of this, and then you make the biggest mistake of your entire life. At first it just stands there for a second and plays this ominous countdown noise, and then it blows up the entire room. Okay, yeah, maybe that's a bit much. The Breeze Golem has 3 attacks it can use based on how far away a player is. At medium range, it shoots 3 wind charges out of the cannon. Actually, 5 wind charges and 5 more wind charges. If a player gets within 3 blocks, it'll spin its arms around like a tornado. That's a reference to the Breeze from Minecraft. It also does this cool thing where the jet flames light everything on fire underneath it. Why are the flames invisible? Now, obviously in Minecraft, the player can just hide behind blocks like a little baby. So I added a special feature just for the sweet, naive fools that try this. If you listen closely, you'll notice a nuclear countdown going on out there. And when that timer runs out, actually, never mind. I've got a better idea. Let's put 500 villagers in a box and see what happens. If my computer doesn't crash, then we didn't do it right. We're turning Minecraft into War Thunder, ladies and gentlemen. All I need now is, what, like 2,000 vehicles? Yeah, I have a soft spot for games with a lot of content. I don't know if you've noticed that. You can play ships, tanks, helicopters. I like the jets though, because they're so easy to control. Okay, good. Frames are going down. We're almost there. War Thunder's completely free to play, and you can fight massive multiplayer battles in tons of real locations across the world with unmatched realism and detailed damage mechanics down to each individual vehicle. They just dropped their storm warning update, so the game now supports ray tracing, fully dynamic shadows and lighting, a new map, 2 new jets, and the new M44 for ground. Listen, this is a very strategic game, okay? Don't laugh. Download War Thunder today for free using my link below to get a special bonus for new players and anyone who hasn't played for 6 months. It's available on PC, PlayStation, and Xbox, or try out War Thunder Mobile, also free to play, available on iOS and Android. Thanks for sponsoring the video. Let's see what this bad boy can do. 3, 2... Wait, I should probably turn my settings down for this. Before I show this to the mod developer, I should probably test this for performance, and I want to make sure it creates as much frustration as possible. Oh, here they come. Oh my, guys, stop running directly under his flaming jet. They won. There's like 10 of them left, but they did it. Oh, they're fighting each other. They're all teaming up on that one. Uh-oh. They're both charging. Oh, guys, it took me 10 years to build that. Can we get much higher? Compared to the original Breeze, it's pretty cool, I guess. But what I made next is somehow even worse. Meet the Bogged. It's basically a swamp skeleton that shoots poison. Try to imagine the average League of Legends player, and you pretty much understand. The design itself is pretty cool, and it's made of 2 distinct parts. One for the skull and one for the dirt head. My plan for this one is pretty much just make it way too big. The original Bogged clocks in at around 2 blocks tall and 20 individual cubes. So I'm gonna go ahead and double that real quick, and just like that, we've successfully copied mutant creatures like I've been doing for the past 3 years. Wait, they already made this one? Oh no. Okay, change of plans. Hold this, please. I need my design to stand out somehow, so I gave it 2 arms on one side, like it's so mutated the limbs are just shifting around. I merged its right leg into this tree like it grew into it or something. thing. Maybe the tree is also the bow. Please tell me this is different enough. How does it shoot the bow? Right. Maybe the arms reach back. Oh, this is gonna be so bad. I didn't have high hopes for this one, but I kept going anyway. One pixel at a time, some vines here. Maybe the bones are rotted. Maybe the arrow looks more like a harpoon. And after countless attempts, I put on some mushrooms for the final touch. And if that's not different enough, I don't know what will make it different enough. Comparing it to the regular Bogged, I don't think it gets better than this. And it actually looks like the original this time. Wow. So the way this works is you find a Bogged out in the wild like normal, and if lightning happens to strike it, it turns into a Mutant Bogged. Did I steal the name on this too? Too far. The Mutant Bogged has 3 attack patterns just like the Breeze Golem, except maybe slightly more frustrating. If it can see the player, it'll shoot 3 arrows in a trident pattern, which does way too much damage and leaves poison on the ground, and slowness too, why not? If the player isn't visible, guess what? The arrows go through walls. The only way to avoid it is if the wall is more than 2 blocks thick, in which case it will dig through the walls with its bare hands. Anything within 4 blocks gets poisoned 5, and that's the boss. It's a bit overpowered, so to keep things fair, it loses health automatically, like it's decaying from the inside, so all you have to do is just run, basically. Testing it out in-game, the model itself looks great. Unfortunately, it didn't even lose health to the 500 pillager test, so I nerfed it a bit and tried finding a growling noise or something to use. Before I show this to the mod developer, I wanted to set up one final test. 10 golems versus 10 mutants. Lock it in. Who's it gonna be? Nothing bad is gonna happen.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I believe that. Did I miss something obvious? Oh, I see. There's a heavy rune. Oh, God. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, I'm half dead already.
So this is the Breeze Golem.
I'm dead.
You're only on 1 death so far. Oh, never mind.
And I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Come down here, you coward. Oh my god.
Oh, good hit.
Yeah, get axed. I'm 1 hit from death. This is the moment. This is the moment. No. There he is. Hello. Got him. That was bonkers, dude.
So you think that was
bonkers?
bad?
It's only gonna get worse, isn't it? Overall thoughts on the design are very positive. It has sort of a ancient technology look to it, and I really dig that. The arm reminds me of one of those house busters that the police use. The texture work is fantastic. The animations are great. Each individual piece of this model is basically perfection. I think you finally did it. I think this is a 10 out of 10. I don't have any complaints. The fight is, less so.
There we go.
Whoa. Okay, Mutant Bogged. Get away from me. Okay, I gotta tactically eat some steak here. Okay. Ow, took that one right to the face. Oh, what's up? What's up, dude? What's up? I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Okay. It's okay, though. It's only the first death. I'm doing significantly better with this boss. Whoa! Cheater? Got him. Oh, that was so cool. I really like the asymmetrical design. I like the 2 arms on one side. I like the bow being a tree that is actually the leg. It's super complex, but it doesn't feel unbalanced. It feels like it all fits together really well. I'm scared of it. When it spawned in and it just started running, it's like actually scary to look at. I don't really have anything that I don't like. You've nailed it once again. I think I have to give this one a 10 as well.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh god.
Okay. It's kind of hard to tell how many are even left.
Oh, they're blowing holes in the arena. They're just bullying this one. They're just shoving him into the ceiling. Oh, and the first golem falls. Oh, there goes another one. We're about to lose another. Ooh, this one golem could do it. This one golem could do it. Oh, come on. And it's over.
With that, I had successfully impressed the mod developer once again, but this isn't over until it's 10s every single time. Wait. I guess I win now? What do? I don't know what to do.